See, we got 50 million different desires. All right, that hurricane hit the southeast area and did a little damage to the deck in our house. And I said, Pat, we'll go ahead and get insurance, blah, blah, blah. She said, no, I got a new vision for this. We're going to change this, change this. Did I tell you I'm getting a new stove and we're going to change this ceiling up here? Pump the brakes, baby girl, pump the brakes. We all got 50 million different desires. That's a desire. You might want to see a new outfit, get a new breath. That's a desire. But look, damn it, a burning desire is an inner candle, an inner flame that cannot be extinguished. And though the worst may go before you, the doubters may come, the cynics may come, and the doubters and cynics were there for me. The non-achievers, unbelievers, all the people who will scoff at you, all the people who will ridicule you, all the people that will laugh at you, you will use their doubt, you will use their cynicism to propel you forward. And that's the difference.